We've all seen them. Those massive loads on the highway, dwarfing everything else. That, my friends, is the world of oversized cargo. We're talking about stuff so big, so heavy, that normal trucks and trains just laugh. Think power plant components, giant wind turbine blades, sections of bridges, even entire buildings on the move. This ain't your grandma's furniture delivery. This is serious business, demanding meticulous planning, specialized equipment, and a crew that eats, sleeps, and breathes logistics. Moving these behemoths takes more than just a big rig. It's a symphony of coordination, muscle, and nerves of steel. One wrong move, one miscalculation, and things can go south real fast. But when they get it right, it's a thing of beauty, a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of pushing limits. So buckle up, folks. We're about to dive deep into the world of oversized cargo transport where the loads are heavy, the risks are real, and the satisfaction, well, that's gigantic. Before a single tire rolls, the planning begins. This ain't just about picking a route on Google Maps. We're talking months, sometimes years of preparation. Engineers, surveyors, and transportation experts pore over maps, blueprints, and weather forecasts. They gotta figure out the best route, taking into account things like bridge heights, road weight limits, sharp turns, even the time of day to minimize traffic disruption. Permits need to be secured from every state or country the cargo will pass through. And trust me, getting those permits is no walk in the park. They gotta consider every variable, every potential hazard. It's like a giant game of chess, only the pieces weigh tons. And a wrong move could mean disaster. The pressure is on, and these guys, they thrive on it. Now, let's talk about the folks doing the heavy lifting. The drivers, the riggers, the engineers, the support teams. These are the unsung heroes of oversized cargo transport. The drivers are a different breed. They're not just steering a truck, they're maneuvering a small building on wheels. It takes nerves of steel, incredible skill, and the patience of a saint. Then there's the riggers, the muscle behind the operation. They're the ones securing the cargo, making sure it doesn't shift an inch. One loose strap, one miscalculation, and it could be game over. These guys and gals, they're the best in the business. They work long hours, often in dangerous conditions, all to make sure these massive loads get where they need to be, safe and sound. They're the heart and soul of this industry. Picture this, you're cruising down the highway, late for work, when suddenly, everything grinds to a halt. Why? Because a giant transformer bigger than your house is coming through. Oversized loads often require shutting down entire lanes of traffic. Sometimes they even need to remove traffic signals, power lines, or other obstacles in their path. It's a slow, painstaking process, with escorts guiding the way, making sure every inch is accounted for. And the drivers, they're laser-focused, navigating tight spaces with pinpoint accuracy. It's a sight to behold, a testament to human ingenuity and the power of logistics. But for those stuck in traffic, it's a lesson in patience. Section 5. Overwater taming the waves. When the sea is your highway, land transport is one thing, but what happens when you need to move a giant oil rig platform across an ocean? That's where heavy lift ships come in. These behemoths of the sea are designed to carry the heaviest, most awkward loads imaginable. They have massive decks, powerful cranes, and expert crews who specialize in securing and transporting these marine giants. But, the ocean is an unforgiving mistress. Storms can brew up in an instant, tossing these massive vessels around like toys. It takes incredible skill and nerves of steel to navigate these treacherous waters with a multi-million-dollar cargo on board. The risks are high, but so are the rewards. Without these maritime marvels, we wouldn't have the offshore oil platforms, the massive cargo ships, or the global trade that keeps our world running. Section 6. Through the air heavyweight flyers, reaching new heights. Sometimes even the biggest ships and trucks aren't enough. When you need to move something truly massive and remote, there's only one option: air transport. We're talking about Antonov An-225s, the largest cargo planes ever built. These behemoths of the sky can carry over 100 tons of cargo, everything from helicopters to entire power plants. Loading and unloading these giants is a logistical ballet, requiring specialized cranes, expert crews, and split-second timing. And once they're in the air, the pilots face unique challenges, battling turbulence and maintaining control of these massive aircraft. It's a high-stakes game, but when it comes to moving the world's heaviest cargo, sometimes the sky's the limit. Section 7 Danger Zones. When giants stumble, the stakes of a mishap. Moving oversized cargo is risky business. One wrong move, one miscalculation, and things can go south in a hurry. We've all seen the videos, trucks toppling over on tight curves, ships listing precariously in rough seas, cranes collapsing under the weight of their loads. These accidents are a stark reminder of the dangers inherent in this line of work. When things go wrong, the consequences can be catastrophic. Damaged cargo, environmental disasters, even loss of life. It's a heavy burden to bear, and it's a constant reminder of the importance of safety and meticulous planning. That's why the men and women who work in this industry are true professionals. They know the risks, they respect the dangers, and they never stop learning, adapting, and striving for perfection. Section 8. Jaw-dropping feats, engineering marvels. Stories from the front line. The world of oversized cargo transport is full of jaw-dropping feats of engineering and logistics. Take, for example, the transport of a massive oil refinery module from South Korea to Canada. This behemoth, weighing over 1.5 million pounds, was too big for any ship, so they built a specialized transport vessel just to carry it. Or how about the time they moved a 1,000-ton generator stator across the Australian outback? This epic journey involved building temporary roads, diverting rivers, and employing a team of over 100 people. And who could forget the incredible sight of the Space Shuttle Endeavour making its final journey through the streets of Los Angeles? This awe-inspiring spectacle captivated the world and served as a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the human spirit. These are just a few examples of the countless amazing feats that are accomplished every day in the world of oversized cargo transport. Section 9. Conclusion, respect the rig, a world in motion. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the world of oversized cargo transport. It's a world of big risks, bigger rewards, and the most impressive display of logistics and engineering you'll ever see. Next time you see one of these massive loads rolling down the highway, take a moment to appreciate the skill, the planning, and the sheer guts it takes to move these giants. These are the folks who keep our world moving, literally. They're the unsung heroes of infrastructure, the masters of metal and muscle. So, next time you see that oversized load sign, remember this: respect the rig.